Hello dear students, welcome to Karna Maths Academy. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss exam solution HSEB 2064. NEB HSEB 2064 question number 18 group B. Question number 18. The difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years at 4% per annum is rupees 32. Find the sum invested. The difference between the simple interest and the compound interest. The difference between the simple interest and compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years at 4% per annum is rupees 32. Find the sum invested. Solution. According to the question, the difference between compound interest and simple interest is given rupees 32. That means CI minus SI. Compound interest, difference between compound interest and simple interest, that means CI minus SI is equal to rupees 32. Rate of interest is given 4%. Rate of interest is given 4%. Sum invested, we will find out the sum invested, and time is given 2 years. The value of time is 2 years. So according to the question, CI minus SI is given 32. So first we have to find the value of compound interest, then we find the value of simple interest, and we take the difference between CI and SI equals 32, and after solving we get the value of P, that means the sum invested. We know that the formula of compound interest is equal to CI is equal to P whole bracket 1 plus R by 100 power T minus 1, which is equal to P as it is. Now putting the value of rate and time. The value of rate is given 4 and the value of time is given 2 and 100 as it is. So putting the value of R4, the value of time is 2 years and 100 keeping as it is minus 1 equals to P 1 plus 4 by 100 whole square. 4 by 100 we get 0.4, 1 plus 0.4 we get 1.04 square as it is minus 1. P 1.04 square we get 1.0816 minus 1. 1.0816 minus 1 we get 0.0816. P into 0.0816 we get 0.0816 P. So this is the value of CI, compound interest. The value of compound interest we have got in terms of P, principal. Because we have to find out P, the value of P is unknown. The value of CI, compound interest, we have got 0.0816 P. Now next we'll find out simple interest. And then by taking CI minus SI is equal to 32, we'll get the value of principal. We know that simple interest, SI, the formula of simple interest is P into T into R divided by 100. P into T into R by 100. P as it is, the value of time is given 2 years, the value of rate is given 4 divided by 100. 4 into 2, 8, 8 into P, 8P, 8P divided by 100. Now 8P divided by 100, we get 0.08P. 8 divided by 100, we get 0.08 and P keeping as it is. The value of simple interest. The value of simple interest also we have got in terms of P, that means in terms of principal. Now we know the value of compound interest is 0.0816P and the value of simple interest we know that it is equal to 0.08P. Both are in terms of principal. Now according to the question, we are given that the difference between compound interest and simple interest is equal to 32. That means CI, compound interest, minus SI, that means simple interest. CI minus SI is equal to 32. The value of compound interest is 0.0816P minus the value of simple interest is 0.08P. Putting the value of compound interest 0.0816P and putting the value of simple interest 0.08P equals 32. Now taking the difference 0.0816 minus 0.08 we get 0.0016. So PP we can take common while taking the difference. P into the difference is 0.0016 equals to 32. The difference is given equal 32. Therefore P is equal to 32 divided by 0.016. 32 divided by 0.016 we get 20,000, which is the required value of P. So according to the question, if the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years at 4% per annum is rupees 32, then the sum invested is That means the value of principal is rupees 20,000, which is the required answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy, and share it to friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get daily new updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching.